Welcome to Quintess International, your trusted engine valve manufacturer. We are located in India, Gujarat, a key hub for auto parts manufacturing. At Quintess International, we specialize in producing high-quality engine valves. Our valves are crafted with care and thoroughly tested for top performance and reliability. From our advanced facility in Rajkot, we deliver reliable products to customers around the world. Choose Quintess International for quality engine valves and unmatched expertise. Welcome to our engine valve manufacturing process. First step is bar shearing, a crucial step in producing high-quality engine valves. We begin by loading the metal bar into the shearing machine. The machine is then set to precise specifications to ensure accurate cuts. As the machine activates, shearing blades cut the bar into required lengths. Once sheared, the bars are collected and inspected for quality assurance before moving on to the next production stage, upsetting and forging. Next step is upsetting and forging. Here we place the metal valve blanks in the furnace and heat them until they reach the desired temperature. Once heated, we transfer the metal to the forging press or hammer. Then we position the billet in the die set and apply controlled force to shape the metal into the valve's desired form. After upsetting, we carefully remove the component from the press and allow it to cool. Once cooled, we inspect the valve component for any defects and also measure its dimensions to ensure they align with the required specifications. Machining area. Firstly, we will secure the engine valve in the machining fixture. Ensure it's properly aligned and ready for machining. We start with machining the valve head. Here, we use CNC machines to precisely shape and finish the valve head for exact dimensions and a perfect surface. Next, we precisely machine the valve seat for a perfect shape and alignment, ensuring a tight seal when the valve closes. Then, we use CNC lathes to machine the valve stem to exact specifications, ensuring it's straight and smooth for free movement within the engine. Further, we precisely grind the valve face to ensure a smooth finish for a perfect seal with the engine seat. This prevents leaks and boosts engine efficiency. At the end, we precisely cut the valve groove for retaining rings, ensuring the valve stays securely in place during operation. Tuft riding. At our facility, we perform tuft riding to harden metal surfaces by nitrogen using a molten salt bath. Firstly, we clean the valves and then heat them in a molten salt bath. This process allows nitrogen to create a hard, wear-resistant surface, which results in better performance and a longer service life for engine valves. Grinding. We precisely grind engine valves to achieve a flawless surface, ensuring a tight seal for optimal performance. Oil is used during the process to cool and reduce friction, enhancing the final quality before inspection. Inspection. We start with a detailed visual inspection to check for any defects in the valve surface and structure. Next, we perform precise dimensional checks using specialized tools to ensure each valve conforms to exact specifications. Then, surface quality is assessed to ensure a smooth, defect-free finish that will provide a perfect seal and enhance durability. Final packaging. Each valve undergoes a final inspection and cleaning to ensure it's free from any defects before packaging. We then place the valves into protective packaging to safeguard them during transit and handling. Then, each package is labeled with detailed information and shipping instructions to ensure accurate delivery and traceability. Our meticulous packaging process guarantees that engine valves arrive at their destination in optimal condition, ready to perform at their best. At Quintess International, we uphold our commitment to conducting business with the utmost integrity and transparency. Our core values dictate that we consistently strive to make ethical decisions, even in challenging circumstances. Furthermore, we hold the utmost regard for our esteemed customers, partners, and employees, ensuring they are treated with the utmost respect and dignity. We participate in all the major auto industry exhibitions worldwide, such as Automechanical Istanbul, Auto Connect, New Delhi, Autotech, Egypt, West Africa Automotive Show, Nigeria, Automechanica, New Delhi, Automechanica, Dubai,